So this is, I finally finished my stack, so I'm going to show you how it all goes together. So this is the board that I soldered together myself, so that all of the pieces will stack. So this board sits on top of this guy, and like so. And then this is the RFID reader, and it goes in like so, and it locks in like that. And then this keypad, it goes in there. So, okay, so yeah, so now you can kind of see how it kind of is like a giant sandwich, and they all stack on top of each other, like so. So, yeah, and then the next plan is to mount it inside of this clock. So I'm gonna get that in the mail soon. So, alright, there's that. The stack complete.